Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about data structure. Data structure is a collection of data type values which are stored and organized in a such a way that it allocates for efficient access, that is reading and writing that data, and modification, that is performing alteration to that data. In some cases, it can become the underlying implementation for a particular data type. We have two types of data structure. First one is primitive data structure, which is an inbuilt data structure and executable by the mission instructions only. In this we have four types of. First one is int. Int, it is used for storing integers values, that is from 1 to 100, and we can store up to signed and unsigned values. Next one is char. It is used to store the alphabets in it. Next one is boolean. Boolean, here we are storing the boolean values like zeros and ones and series of the zeros and ones. Next one is float. It is used to store the decimal values in it. Second one is non-primitive data structure. It is a user-defined data structure and it inherits the properties from the primitive data structures. We have two types of the non-primitive data structures. First one is linear data structure. Here the memory allocation order is continuous, that is in a sequence order. First one is array. Array is a collection of similar data types. For example, int a, array of 10. We are assigning the 10 integers values to the array A in a continuous memory allocation. Next one is linked list. It consists of nodes where each node consists address or reference link to that next node, and we have data field. First one is the data field and next one is the address of next node. Here we are linking the one node to another link, and if we reach end of the link, we are scanned by null. Next one is stack. It works on the principle is last in first out. Means it is a like ladder. We are inserting from the top and we are deleting from the top only. For example, is taking a plates in a cafeteria or in a dining area. We will follow the first in first plate first out principle. Next one is queue. It's work on the first in first out. For example, consider queue means like this series. For example, is ticket line. When we go to movies, we will follow the queue to get the ticket. Second one is non-linear data structure. Here the memory allocation is non-continuous. It is in random places. For example, for it is 3. It is a hierarchical data structure defined by the nodes. Here we have the nodes format. Here the family is the one node. In this we have mother, father, sons and doctors as a node. Next one is graph. It is the representation of relationship between elements with the other elements of the with nodes and edges. Here the family is the one node. In this we have mother and father and brother and sister as a separate nodes. Here the relationship is only with mother only. We are linking by this. It is known as edges. Next one is pointer. It will store the address of the another variable. Here we have two fields. First one is data field and next one is address field. Here we are declaring a pointer by using the asterisk symbol. It will store the address of the A value in the variable P. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment below and subscribe to this channel.